What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of chromium sulfate. So we need to find out the atomic mass of each element first. Chromium is 51.996, sulfur is 32.06, oxygen is 15.999, chromium 2, sulfate 3, oxygen is 3 times 4, 12. So we have 2 times 51.996, which is 103.992, 32.06 times 3, which is 96.18, and then 15.999 times 12. It's going to be 191.988. Then you need to add them all. It's going to be 392.16 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of chromium 3 sulfate. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.